Okay, yeah. Hey, we're getting it started. Today is our start day. We've been doing a lot of things for our farm, and a lot of you think we got chickens running around. But we're still negotiating and finding out the top quality chickens. And here in Kenya, we find out they have some very good chickens. So the guys come out, my partners came out, so they can check out the place we're going to buy them from, get our incubator, what we're going to do and how we're going to do it, and what they saw today. This is what the video that you're going to see that Frank, and you haven't seen Frank. None of you have seen Frank.
Yes,
yeah. This is Frank. And they went out today and they saw the birthplace of our new children. Ooh, yeah. And so the beginning of Coco's chicken. And hang on in there because we're starting slow, but we're going to do, I mean, it's fantastic. What you guys think?
It is fantastic.
Well, what did you learn when you went out there today?
When I went there, it is fantastic. So right now I'm staying positive because good things are about to happen. What I saw today is something that brings hope to our business. Not only hope to our business, it's something that brings, what should I say, brings positive business to us at the moment. Because what they told us today and what I used to know, it's different. So I learned about the incubator today. I never knew a lot about incubators, but today I've learned a lot about incubators. And I've seen that incubator is a very nice thing to have because there's where your profit is.
It's better than a slot machine.
That's true. That's
yeah, you get something out, you put something in, you're going to get something out for sure. Yeah, what do you think? What do you think?
My complication is that it's not complication. I think this is a good thing what we saw today, and what I think what we was discussing is about candling. The company they don't do candling, and I think candling is important. So we are here to discuss either in future can we do candling or not doing candling, because on my behalf I think that is very important to check the eggs if they are fertilized or not fertilized, so that we can predict how many chicks.
Yeah, well, if they're not fertilized, we're gonna take them back to them.
So,
oh yeah, man.
They'll be first. Yeah. It's a positive. New chicks, I would say, they bring hope to all people who want to do some farms and who want to do chickens too.
Yeah, but the way it's set up, we got a win-win situation. Mm-hmm. But Kevin, among all the guys, he's the security guy. He's going to double check and everything. We're saying, keep on, hurry up. Yeah. Get to going. Yeah, but we're all working together to make this happen. Coco's Chickens is going to be the best from the east to the west. Yeah. Woo-hoo! We know it. So, hey, look at this video, and we will show you some of the procedures we're going through to get these chickens done. Now just pray that we get them over the border, because these carry chicks are what we got. The meat is delicious. Yes. Yeah. Okay, talk to you later. Ciao, Bella. Let me know if you're interested in keeping up with Coco's Chicken.
Yeah. Stay tuned for more.
Stay tuned.
Yeah.
Hey, this is Jamila, and you're watching Africa Speak.